I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo and click on Bid Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Copper CRM. Give a name. For API email and API key, please visit Copper CRM dashboard. Click on Setting. Now click on Integrations. Then click API key. Click on Generate API key. Copy API email and API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integration successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Copper CRM dashboard and refresh the page. You can see record created in People module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.